Hi everyone, we're going to continue working with Western Europe today. We're going to use some different maps to identify important pieces of information regarding the countries found in this area. Okay, so you're going to start here on the first page. You're going to use the maps for the questions. The countries that we're going to be looking at today are Austria, Belgium, France, Germany, Ireland, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, Monaco, the Netherlands, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. When you move to the next slide, you can see that here now is a map that you're going to be using next to complete the information. So you're going to use this map to help you identify the missing blanks. So you're able to just type right in here your answers based on the map on the slide before. So if we're looking at Dublin, okay, Dublin is the capital, we have to find what country is Dublin the capital of. So we switch back to our map. We're going to look around. Okay, and I know that Dublin is the capital of Ireland. So now that we found that, you're going to go back and type in the box Ireland. Okay, and then you're going to move on. I would change the font to a different color just so that you can make sure you get everything filled out the way you need it to be. Okay, so the next one, you know, your country is the United Kingdom. You're going to try to find the capital. So everything on this sheet you need to complete using this map. Okay, after you've completed your chart, here's another map that you're going to continue to use. And while the countries are small, this map you're just looking at water bodies. So you should be able to still read and identify the water bodies. Okay, and like I said, the next question says, list the 6 bodies of water that border Western Europe. So you're going to go back to that map and you're going to type in your answers. If for some reason this map is too small, you can Google another map that might be larger for you to use while working on this. Okay, after you've answered what are the 6 water bodies, you're going to move on to the next slide and answer what 2 Western European countries are islands. Okay, so remember those are countries that are off on their own. You're going to use this map as well. What 2 countries in Western Europe are not connected to the rest of Europe. Right, and then this is another map that is going to be used in the next part. So for this one, you're naming rivers in these specific countries. So you're looking here, you need to fill out the name of the river. You're going to flip back to the map that shows the rivers. Okay, again, if you need to have a second map out to remind you what country is which, since this is an only water body label map, you can do that, or you can just go back up to 5. It might be a little hard to flip back and forth, so if you can, maybe have another device out with a map of the countries labeled to help you here. Okay, and then this next part of the activity is you are going to use this timeline to put the following events in order or answer them. So there are 4 questions here. We're going to use this timeline to answer those 4 questions. And that is all you guys have to work on today. All right, as always, let us know if you have any questions. Take your time. This is your copy of the presentation, so you can type everything right in here, and then you'll be able to submit it to us because it is an assignment for you to complete today. All right, thanks guys. Have a great night.